Hey Trina, I'm creating the video of the land art. So just one overview of the timesheet how it works. So currently we are testing with these five staff with this view. So this is the test SQL staff. So there are two manager and three staffs available here. So you can see if you go into the test 3 SQL. Whatever. Just opening into second tab. So if you see here this test, there are manager and type is a stop. So the manager 2 can see his entry, and same for the employee 2. It has the manager 2 and 1, so both manager can see their entry. So I can let login. So there are a link that can log in. So I just need to check with fresh. So now I am putting the login page. So this is the page where first staff and manager will see. So I'm just login with manager first. So if we do the wrong email ID that is not belong in CRM, then it will show a message that no record found in database, please check email address. And if we put none of email address here, it will give us the email, enter the staff email. So first we need to submit, then it will verify the email address with the CRM and database. If verification is successfully completed, then it will redirect to according to type of staff. So you can see that there is that is manager with the detail is here. So now we can see that this is the three staff. One is the sales manager and these two staff of. So if we go the show entry, so there are entry we can see for the manager. There are the implies MD2 that has entry. Now you can see here, if you there are three buttons that can show the current week entry, history and unapproved. If I select trash 3, if I want a current week entry of this stuff, it will show there is no current week entry here. But if I want a history of this record that is not approved or approved from the past duration, so there are multiple record like this. So there is a scroll and scroll down, so it's working here, and you can see there are some approved and unapproved status of the entry. So they are in all history except the current week entry that is not belong to the current week. So And if we see the unapproved entry of this, if staffs, then they are purely unapproved, they are missing in zero, because the time of the week is not current, so they cannot update in zero. These are the unapproved entry. And if we go with the employee 2 and unapproved, so they can see here, and history as well they can see. If they wanna see some detail with particular data past date, I can see in 26 of, and whatever they want. If they want history of 26, then they can choose the 26. And if they want a unapproved entry of 26, then there is no record, so it will give error because of the data is cleaning now. And now if I want to add some record for the timesheet, whatever, for any staff, I can add the record from here with the manager as well. So if I will go with the date, with the date, because there is only first day of the calendar, so it will show only first day, so I can only put this day amount time. I can select anything from the, yeah, and anything of the node. So make sure this is the full page, and we can go with multiple entry. So I will submit it. It will show here that there is a current week entry for the this one. So now we can edit these entries and approved by manager, can approve and edit this entry by self. So if we wanna edit this entry, so I can edit this entry to 7:30 hours, and I think do anything, can change the date, notes and anything, so it will update. Yeah, so yes, they can update, and there is a detail. Now I can change the task as well if unfortunately they press wrong task, so they can edit here. So just updating it. So now soft work will show here, so everything is working. Now we can log out with this, and can log in with the test SQL 3. So if there is test SQL 3, so I can log in. Show entries, so we can see that there is a 2 entry recently happening. The total hour is this, so I can change from the employer can change their entry on there as well, and they can see the history of their entries and unapproved entries. They can see and history of which date they can want to show, so they can see the entries. These are the particular things. and if they want the current week entry, so there is no data with the 26, but they have the data. That's so now they can edit with anyone, like we can edit this particular thing notes, and again I will change the hours. Now it can be show here. So yes, the hours is updated here, and the total hours can be done. They cannot approve the timesheet because they have no privilege to approve the timesheet. Now we can log in, log out with the manager, and just log in with this manager. And approve the timesheet. So I will need to log in with one password. And login into the, here you can see the entries. Now I will go into the timesheet and check. So we have the latest timesheet for SQL 1. So we can see that I will approve this timesheet for the employee test 2, and the record will show there in the 0 timesheet. I think something is okay for the data was clean, so I am just updating because it is not available right now, but it will be showing future, and approve it. So it has been approved now, and now we can check last modified timesheet. So it comes around with the employee and with the date of ending. So if we add more hours here, so it will be taken. So make sure that the updation of the timesheet will only allowed when the status will draft. So when timesheet will upload, they cannot update anything. So now I will upload it, and one more thing is that when the timesheet is created, so it will create a record in the timesheet module. As we can see, there is a timesheet record with the detail of this, like employee test and timesheet, the this one, and what will be the hours, and notes or the date and the task and job is populating, and this is the name. So now if we upload this, we need to, the clone will run in every 15 minutes, but right now I will hit the script from my side, so you can see the purchase order and actual cost recording CRM. So it has been approved now. So now I will hit the script. It will create the purchase order in CRM. Sorry. So this is the actual cost record. So you can see I can check the log. So PO is created for the this one. This is another timesheet is been created. Just to check that twice this one. Logs. There is so for the instance I have checked that it has been created the timesheet actual course record in CRM, and it will be show like this: what is the rate of employee, what is the task they have selected, and what is the quantity. And then so I will set the cron for 15 minutes, and you can check the uh, I will set the cone from 10 minutes, so you can check in 10 minutes when you want. So that's it. I will review the script why it is not creating, and I'm sure that it will create when you test. Thank you.